Hey there, Florida residents. Super excited about today's video. Very important topic. If you own a condo in Florida or even thinking about it, you will not want to miss this video. I'm Ryan Tesner, your go-to real estate expert, and today we are breaking down some crucial information that affects every condo owner and potential buyer in Florida. We are talking about Senate Bill 4D and the requirements for the Structural Integrity Reserve Study, or SIRS. You've probably heard about it in the news. Some of our clients thought it would be a super helpful video, and we agreed, and so let's go ahead and get started. So in response to the tragic Surfside condominium collapse in 2021, Florida took decisive action to prevent such disasters in the future. That came along Senate Bill 4D, enacted on May 26, 2022, and that mandates that condominium and cooperative associations conduct a structural integrity reserve study. So these studies are critical for assessing the current condition and future maintenance needs of a building's structural components, including the foundation, the roof, the exterior walls, the balconies, and more. So the overall aim is to ensure the safety of residents and preserve the value of their homes. But of course, this also affects the associations and the bottom lines. So a SIRS study involves two key inspections, the milestone inspection and the independent reserve study. Both must be performed by licensed professionals, and they provide a comprehensive overview of the building's structural health and financial requirements for maintenance. So what does this mean for you? If you're already a condo owner or you're looking to buy, what exactly does this mean? So what do you need to know? So the SIRS must be completed by December 31st, 2024 for buildings 30 years or older. Buildings near the coastline have even stricter requirements. Associations must be fully funded reserves for items identified in the SIRS study. Failure to comply with these regulations can lead to severe consequences, including the evacuation of buildings deemed to be unsafe. So it's a clear message: safety and preparedness are non-negotiable with this bill and new law. As a condo owner or buyer, it's crucial to understand how your association is handling these new requirements. We get these questions asked all the time about our local associations. Are they taking proactive steps? Are their reserves adequately funded? These questions significantly impact your investment and your safety. And that's where I come in. As your realtor, I make it a priority to ensure that you're not just finding a beautiful condo, but a safe and compliant one as well. I'm here to guide you through these changes and help you make informed decisions. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about the Senate bill, please comment below. If you'd like to know more about the SIRS study, please comment below as well. Stay safe, and until next time, have a wonderful day.